So in this video, I'll show you how to access Odysseus on your phone from your PC. But before you begin the process, make sure that your phone and PC are on the same Wi-Fi network. So then you'll need to stop Odysseus running on your PC. So go to the command prompt and press Ctrl+C to stop Odysseus from running. So from here, go to where you install your Odysseus. So File Manager, local disk C, users, Edwin, and find Odysseus folder. Here it is. Open it. Click on this empty path and type cmd and press enter. So from here, type cd colon. So back to your manager, file manager. Click on this empty space and copy this path. So copy it here. So yours will be different since mine is Edwin. So yours can have a different name. So from here, click enter. Then paste this command. So this command initially opens Odysseus using PowerShell, and this execution policy bypass file so allows Windows to run the script even if restrictions are enabled. In this file launch, Windows run the startup script, and this BindHost makes Odysseus accessible for other devices on the same network, not just on your PC alone. So I'll leave this command on the description below. So from there, press enter. So it's checking for Python installing dependencies. So next, open another command prompt. Just type cmd and press enter. So here, type ipconfig and press enter. So look for IPv address and a wireless LAN adapter. So we are looking for this address over here. So you'll need this IP address together with your port number to run on your phone address. So we need, and you have to make sure that your port number is the same. So this is the port number. Now let's head to our phone. So open your browser on your phone. I'm using Chrome. Just type HTTP. So your IP address, your PC ID address, and finish with the port number and press enter. And you can see that you have successfully accessed Odysseus on our phone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.